Story 32. Having become tired of my friends in Damascus, I went into the desert of Jerusalem and associated with animals till the time when I became a prisoner of the Franks, who put me to work with infidels in digging the earth of a moat in Tarpalis, when one of the chiefs of Aleppo, with whom I had formerly been acquainted, recognized me and said, "What state is this?" I recited, "I fled from men to mountain and desert, wishing to attend upon no one but God. Imagine what my state at present is, when I must be satisfied in a stable of wretches. Defeat in chains with friends is better than to be with strangers in a garden." He took pity on my state and ransomed me for 10 dinars from the captivity of the Franks, taking me to Aleppo, where he had a daughter, and married me to her with a dowry of 100 dinars. After some time had elapsed, she turned out to be ill-humored, quarrelsome, disobedient, abusive in her tongue, and embittering my life. A bad wife in a good man's house is his hell in this world already. Alas, for a bad consort. Alas, preserve us, O Lord, from the punishment of fire. Once she lengthened her tongue of reproach and said, "Art thou not the man whom my father purchased from the Franks for 10 dinars? And I replied, "Yes, he bought me for 10 dinars and sold me into thy hands for 100 dinars. I heard that a sheep had, by a great man, been rescued from the jaws and power of a wolf. In the evening he stroked her throat with a knife, whereon the soul of the sheep complained thus, 'Thou hast snatched me away from the claws of a wolf. But at last I see thou art thyself a wolf.'" Now it's one thing, slaughtering an animal. It's another thing, shaving its neck to tease it. Now, for one, that could be how you get hurt, right? But people need to stop with this thing. Well, just set them up with someone good or stable or something, and then they could get their life together. No, you want to have your life together, sort of regardless of whether you're married or not. But kind of get yourself together before that. And I don't mean, just wait till you acquire all the, till you pay off the house and all that other stuff.